What's up, boys? Lightning McQueen here with another episode of Elevator Interviews at Hunts Point Avenue. Today we're going to show you 3 elevators. Elevator 195. Let's get going. Go to mezzanine. What do we got? Elevator 195. Okay. The capacity is 2,000 pounds.
Hello, this is an accessible station. Check nta.info/elevators to confirm if the elevator is in service.
This is elevator 195. I'll show you the mezzanine and the platforms. Now it's time to show you the Manhattan elevator. These elevators were placed into service by 2013. We got elevator 197. Let's go. Let's go to Manhattan 6. Let's see what we got. Elevator 197. The capacity is 2,100 pounds. Doesn't it look good? Cool. So these elevators were built and placed into service by 2013. Specifically, I don't know. I think I suppose in the mid-spring or summer. Don't these elevators look good? Right now it's around between 11 and 12 through 12 years old. They're still running in good condition. Now I'm gonna review the Uptown 6 train elevator to Pelham Bay Park, elevator 196. Okay, let's go to Uptown platform, close the door, this will not close, I don't know why. I'll be back. Oh, there we go. Never mind. Okay, elevator 196. Okay. Elevator 196. The capacity is 2,100 pounds. For elevators 196 and 197 and elevator 195 from the street to the mezzanine, that's a 100-pound deficit. So elevator 195 with 2,000 pounds, along with elevator 196 and 197 for the platforms, with a capacity of 2,100 pounds. Well, that's all for today. So, oh yeah, I forgot. If you need to find the elevators, they are at the center. There's the Manhattan elevator, and that's the elevator to Pelham Bay Park. Well, thanks so much for watching. See you next time, boys. Bye-bye.